At the end of the day, it's all about freedom.
I have seen so much speculation in the mainstream media about Donald Trump's relation to the Soviets, how he's not aggressive about Putin being in Ukraine. Oh my God, he got it wrong. Did Donald Trump get it wrong? Donald Trump said Putin wouldn't go into Ukraine, and he got it wrong. Putin already did go into Ukraine. Oh my God, Donald Trump got something wrong. Hillary Clinton got Libya wrong. I mean, Hillary Clinton has gotten so many guesses in the Middle East wrong. But okay, Donald Trump in some way. But the speculation over whether he's in bed with the Russians has gotten more attention than the fact that Hillary Clinton's in bed with foreign dictators. Now, this is what. Can you pull up my Twitter feed?
Sure.
Real quick, because this is what I wanted you. I wanted you to read off. There was something I retweeted. If you pull up my Twitter page, my phone's just charging in the other room, or I would do this myself. I'm not just
something
on a
that
power
you retweeted.
Trip.
Do you want to maybe find
yeah. Here, it's right here. Thank you, sir. I'll get it. It's this one that. So it's from the New York Times. But I just thought this was interesting because someone tweeted this out. This is as reported by the New York Times. Although of course this is probably somewhere buried in the New York Times. How much do you see this dominate mainstream media though? Okay, so this is for all the Trump. Well, he didn't release his taxes, so maybe there's something in there about the Russians giving him money. Or, he said he wanted to have a good relationship with Putin, so maybe he's in bed with... That sounds like journalism to you, right? We don't know, so maybe. Right. How about this? This is from the New York Times. Not part of the problem, from the New York Times. As the Russians gradually assumed control of Uranium-1 in 3 separate transactions from 2009 to 2013, Canadian records show a flow of cash made its way to the Clinton Foundation. Uranium-1's chairman used his family foundation to make 4 donations totaling $2.35 million. Those contributions were not publicly disclosed by the Clintons, despite an agreement Mrs. Clinton had struck with the Obama White House to publicly identify all donors. Other people with ties to the company made donations as well. And shortly after the Russians announced their intentions to acquire a majority stake in Uranium-1, Mrs. Clinton received $500,000 from a Moscow speech from a Russian investment bank with links to the Kremlin that was promoting Uranium-1 stock. While they speculate about Trump ties to the Russians, this maniac is selling everything. They're the most for-sale couple of all time. This is the whole Clinton Foundation scheme, is they just set it up so you can make donations to the Clintons and then they can write laws. They can affect laws in which people make money. This is their game, yet they're speculating about what if Trump were to have ties to the Russians and then get in and then do favors for them. What if?
Yeah.
Then we'd be where we are now.